Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to give you guys a really quick update on what's going on with the whole COVID-19 situation, how that's affected the channel. So unfortunately we had 2 trips and a couple of smaller trips planned for the first half of this year, all of which are now out the window. They're in the trash, unfortunately. This was supposed to be a really big year for trips for me before I signed myself up to uni and ship myself off. But unfortunately that's not going to happen for a little while, which I'm really not happy about, but there's nothing I can do. So basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is just what's coming up with the channel, and what I've actually been stood down from work for at least 4 weeks. That really sucks. I'm really quite anxious about what's coming next, but there's nothing I can do at this point. But what that means for the channel is that I have 4 weeks of not being at work, where I can now pump out some content for you guys. Unfortunately, it's not going to be the content I was hoping for. It's not going to be trips, but it is going to be installations and things like that. While you guys are hopefully in self-isolation, I should be able to pump out some content for you to keep you occupied. If there's anything you guys want to see, I really do urge you to get in contact with me. I'm probably most active on Instagram, but Facebook's good as well. I don't always see messages come through on YouTube. So be sure to hit me up if you want to see something, if you have any questions, if you're in the middle of isolation working on your car, you have any questions, send them through. I'm always happy to chat, always happy to help if I can. But for the meantime, just wanted to let you guys know that yeah, I've got 4 weeks, minimum 4 weeks off. So hopefully there should be some really good content coming through soon. Thanks for watching, as always. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.